Hello, this is Steve and you're watching Mission Forex. So let's hop on to Monday's trading setup. So, well, on the end of the day, I took a trade on minute 5, but the trade could not work out. I was very much on a brighter side looking for a sell. I took a sell around the resistance level of H4 resistance level. So I kept my stop loss tight. I was looking for, and sell almost it gave me 1 to 2 Mr. Reward. This was the profit that it gave it to me. 20 to 22 pip I went for. And it was around 26 pip. I took it just because when I saw this push to the upside, I thought, well, this high would not be, it would break, but it broke. I took my break even trade on structure. So it still can be, we still can look for a sell on this structure. For me, I think it should be giving us at least one. It can give us a big risk to reward, but it didn't work out. So it is what it is. Never mind. But still, it can work out. But if any candle around 15-minute candle break the structure, and it can close above, the trade would be invalid. Then we can look for only one thing. If the trade goes up, 15, it closes above the structure, this can be the scenario, and it goes up for a while. So you should be getting out of this trade somewhere around 20 to 10. 10 pip is a very good to take. If you want to wait, and you can look for a super setup that can 100% work out, at least 99%, that a candle closes above the structure, then a big candle came in, just around this level, and boom, then it can go to the downside. I see still CAD USD to the downside. For first target, it should be like 100 pips. Well, at least 1 to 4 is to reward. Then you can take 1 to 6 risk to reward, 8 risk to reward, and then ultimately you can hold if it breaks this level. You can take, I would prefer to take the profit somewhere around this area, and there can be two reasons you can hold your trade. If the min 15 can close below this low, then you can hold the trade, just because the same thing can happen if it breaks this level. Then there's a high probability chances the market can drop more. CAD, USD to CAD. That's what my analysis are on USD to CAD. Very much but I trade on both sides. If I see market in enough structure also. It's if I wake up and if I see prices moving in the upside and I see a test around this area and the prices goes, then I'll be going for buy as well. Then let's move on to GBP USD. So let's go into GBP USD. So GBP USD, well, I am a bit sketchy about the move right now. I won't say it will give you something that would be profitable, but overall the price is consolidating in these levels. So let price do something healthy, something good. So most probable thing that can happen is that either the price need to go in enough structure, but I will wait for something like if I see a break of this place, I mean this level 2370.78 around, and the prices come for a test on the low structure, then this could be a very good format for a buy. But still, and you need to keep your stop loss around. Yeah, that would be a big stop loss, 50 pips. And they should be giving you most probably big, big run, big run. Because reversals are expected on these levels, might be reversals. Divergence. Yeah, we are having some kind of divergence. Let's see. Yeah, there is some divergence, but maybe the prices will be coming more down. Then some kind of reversal will be expected. I see this kind of a structure. It's a bit out of the traders. Yeah, I know it's hard. Like I made something really sketchy. So it will be better if the price break the structure, come for a touch and then goes down somewhere on this structure. Let it break, come back in this support zone. Then you can take a buy, and then this should be going to the up structure. Otherwise, you'll see the price dropping. If this low is if this low breaks 22.80, this is going down. This is going hell down. GBP USD could drop. It can have a big drop. Don't have anything on the left side of the market, but somewhere around we can see a drop. You can see somewhere drop around these levels. First of all, yeah, this is the level that can drop. This would definitely drop to this level. So if the prices need to go down, so this can go hell down, hell down. If buys don't work, reversal didn't happen, and the prices is breaking the structure, and this can happen. Straight drop to this level. You can see a splash, big candles dropping to the downside. And once it's dropping, it can drop more. That's why you need to have your stop loss. Stop loss to protect your account. So this will to this level. This would be a big drop. So expected that GDP can drop more. So we might then have a test around the structure, and then we can have in next week maybe GDP can drop more. Reversal won't happen that quickly. We need a lot of users. We need a lot of thing to prices need to go up. It won't happen that easy. So let's see. Well, on Euro USD, this is making some kind of support level, and what I see is that other than if you have some, if you see the prices around these levels, so you can take your profits, buy and sell in both direction. Smaller time frames, you can take these trades. These are the consolidation trades you can take. So you see from here you take 75, from there you take another 75. This is sketchy, but this is difficult to catch, but it won't hurt you. You can take gave you around, in on this also it gave you around 65 pips. One and on here you were taken out. The stop loss is barely here, at least 15 to 18 pips. You took like 150 pips around this. This happened. Then when it comes, break the level and come and it comes strong, come back to break resistance level. So it breaks support level and then come back to resistance level. Then it's possible a good setup for sell as well. So here you can take another. This is a trade. This is a trade, but the spreads will be big enough. If you see price somewhere around these areas, but you can take your trade somewhere around 90. If you can take trade, you can catch a trade around 90. That will be very good, or 80. Keep your stop loss tight, because if a spike happens or anything happens, you can take out yourself. So you take a trade on 90. There you go, and you keep your stop loss around 20 pips. This will happen. This is very big. This is a high risk to reward. So, but what we are looking for a long term on Euro USD is that let the price make its structure. So over here we can go for long, and if this break we can go for short. So let's see what happens. If you see gold, and if we went up, came down again, which is that you can look for a buy on this level, give you around 20 pips, and your stop loss should be around 10 pips. This is a good level to take a buy, but you know what? This can drop. Gold is in a good state of drop. This can drop. See on H1. Price is slowly going in upside on F1 on H1. And the easy thing is that if the price break this level, and then this can go in obstruction. Easy way. If you are looking for your level in this game. But also, if you see, if you're a really aggressive trader, you want to hop into this trade. Yeah, or here also you can take trade, but the best thing would be if you test this stuff. This is on a very quick day you can take trade. Most probably you should be looking at sells and buy on these days. If the price is any minute 15 candle break above this structure, you should take out yourself from buys and wait for sells. Something like this can happen, that if the price comes and you want to sell, the price can go up, break above the structure. You're like, okay, it's a buy. You need to wait for a buy because you already was in the sell, and then you need to wait for at least 4 candles that it makes here. That would kind of be of a support, and you wait for a test, and then you go bang for an up structure. Then you can go upward. That's the formula. That's the secret ingredient I used to do. You know, all these pairs. So that's my analysis on GBP USD, Euro USD, USD CAD. Well, I was unlucky on USD CAD. I've already told you. Yeah, I already have a look on H1 and then minute 5. That was a very good trade, guys. Like checking on this structure, I knew that price is weren't able to break this level. It was almost around our time, Pakistan time. It was around 11 o'clock, if I'm not wrong. Now it was around yeah, it was around 11:30 to 12:30 around these. I took a trade and it straight went into profits, but it is what it is. It happens in trading. You take a trade, and if you get stopped, it hit your break even. You need to secure your account. That's the thing you need to do in your trading. So have a good day. Stay safe. Mission Forex. Say goodbye.